Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, today we are going to learn literacy subject. Okay, so you have to be ready with your, yes, very good, literacy skill book, literacy workbook, pencil, eraser. Okay, you have to settle down with all these things. Okay, so in literacy subject up till now, how many vowels we have studied? Do you remember how many vowels we have studied up till now? Okay, we will revise this vowels once again. Okay, see, we have learnt vowel A. These are A vowel words. Okay, we have learnt vowel E. Okay, these are E vowel words. After that we have learnt vowel I. Okay, yes, these are I vowel words. And today we are going to learn vowel O. Okay, what we are going to learn? Vowel O, and also we are going to study the O vowel words. So be ready with your textbook, pencil, eraser, pay attention on the board. Okay, so children, tell me what you can see on this page. Yes, very good, vowel O. So today we are going to see O vowel words. Okay, all are ready for that? Yes, teacher will read the words. You have to repeat after teacher. Okay, fold your hands, sit straight. See now, first picture. Which picture is this? What you can see here on the board? Come on, tell me fast. What you can see? Yes, very good. First you have to see the picture. It is a picture of a cot. Very nice. Now we will read the spelling. Cot. 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 Okay, which picture you have seen now? This is cot. Next one, what is this? Read which picture you can see here on this board. Yes, very good, it is a dog. So read the spelling. Dog. Dog. Next one, what is this? Dot. Here you can see the dots. Yes, so what will be the spelling of dot? D-O-T, but you have to read in phonics. So dot. Next picture, log. Very good. Log. Next picture, what is this? Very good. Mop. Next one, what is this? Come on. Very good. Pod. Next one, pot. Next picture, what is this? Yes, very good, it is a rod. Rod. Next picture, sob. ob sob. Sob sob. Okay, have you all understood? Yes, have you all understood? O vowel words. Come on, repeat after teacher. K otter cot. D auger dog. D otter dot. L auger log. M opper mop. P otter pot. P order pod. R order rod. Sob sob. Okay, so these are vowel O sound words. Okay, these are O vowel words. Now after this you have to turn the page. Now we will practice writing O vowel words. Okay, see here, practice, read, trace and write. Okay, what we have to do? First we have to read the words. Okay, first we have to read the words, then we have to trace the word, then again we have to write the word. So all are ready with your nicely sharp pencils? Yes, be ready with your pencil. First word, see here, hot. What is this? Now you have to trace hot. Read and write. Hot. 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 Done? Now next word. See here, which letter is this first? P. Very good. Second one, letter O, and this is T. So, pot. Trace. Pot. Pot. Write once again. Pot. Next word, lot. Press the word. Done. Again one time we have to write the same word. Lot. Lot. See. Hot. Pot. Lot. Finished? Now next word. See here. Fog. Fog. Trace the word. Fog. Done. Next word, dog. Trace, dog. Dog. Done. Next word, hog. Trace, hog. Fog. Dog. Hog. Finished? Next line. See now which word you can see here. Read. Come on. Cord. Trace the word. Cord. Cord, cord. Cord, cord. Next one, nod, nod, nod. Nod, nod. Nod, nod. Nod, nod. Nod, nod. Done. Last word, pod, pod, pod. Pod, pod. Pod, pod. Understood? Now once we will read all these words, okay? Come on, read with teacher. Hot, hot. Hot, hot. Pot, pot. Pot, pot. Lot, lot. Lot, lot. Fog, fog. Fog, fog. Dog, dog. Dog, dog. Hog, hog. Hog, hog. Cord, cord. Cord, cord. Nod, nod. Nod, nod. Pod, pod. Pod, pod. Okay, have you all finished? Understood these words? Okay, after this now you have to take out your literacy workbook. You have to take out. You have to take out page number 3737. Okay, so what we have to do here, circle the beginning letter of each picture. Okay, here you can see some pictures are there, and along with this picture there are two letters given. Okay, so you have to see the picture and we have to circle the correct letter. Okay, beginning letter of the picture. So children, see first which picture you can see. Yes, what is this? Very good, it is an alligator. So what will be the beginning letter of alligator? A or P? With what is the beginning letter of alligator? Alligator. Very good. So you have to circle letter A. Alligator. Done? Next one, which picture is this? Very good, it's a butterfly. So what will be the beginning letter of butterfly? F or B? B. Very good. Letter B you have to circle. B, butterfly. Next picture, it is a plant. Which plant is this? Very good, it is a cactus. So what will be the beginning sound or beginning letter of cactus? H or C? C. Very good. Cactus. Circle. After that, which picture is this? It is an animal. Which animal is this? Very good. It is a donkey. So what will be the beginning letter? Which letter will it? With which letter it will start? T or D? D. Very good. What will be the beginning letter of donkey? It will be letter D. Donkey. Done? Now next side. See this picture? Engine. Very good. Which will be the beginning letter? E or K? E. Very good. Engine. Next one, frog. What will be the beginning letter? G or F? F. Very good. Frog. Okay, circle fast. Next picture, giraffe. So what will be the beginning letter? Y or G? G. Very good. So you have to circle letter G. G. What is this? Letter G. Giraffe. Next picture. Which picture is this? Rose. Very good. And what will be the beginning letter? R or H? R. So you have to circle letter R. Rose. Done? Okay. After completing this, next page you have to turn. Page number 3838. Now here also same we have to do. See the picture. Which picture is this? Igloo. Very good. And what will be the beginning letter? E. Means letter I. So you have to circle letter I. Igloo. Next one. Which picture is this? Very good. It is a bottle. But what is there in this bottle? Jam. Very good. So what will be the beginning letter of jam? J or N? Yes? J. Very good. Jam. Next picture, kite. So what will be the beginning letter? K and P is given here. So with which letter K for kite will start? Yes? Very good. Letter K. Kite. Next picture, lamp. What will be the beginning letter? Yes? L or K? L for lamp. Very good. So you have to circle letter L. Done? Next picture, what is this? Net. So what will be the beginning letter? I or N? N. Very good. N for net. See next picture, orange. What will be the beginning letter? O or C? O. Very good. It will start with O. Orange. Next picture, pencil. With which letter it will start? P or U? Very good. It will start with P. Pencil. Next picture, quilt. And what will be the beginning letter? T or Q? Very good. Q. Quilt. Understood? Understood everybody? After this, you have to turn next page. That is page number 3939. Okay? Same we have to do here. See the first picture. What is this? Yarn. So what will be the beginning letter? Y or I? Yes, Y. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Done? Next picture. What you can see here? Which picture is this? Sun. So what will be the beginning letter? U or S? S. Very good. Sun. Next one, top. So what will be the beginning letter? I or T? Which letter it will start? Yes, with which letter it will start? Top. Very good. Top. Next picture, what is this? It's an umbrella. So what will be the beginning letter? U. Very good. Umbrella. Next one, which picture is this? Vest. So with which letter it will start? V or I? V. Vest. Next picture, veil. Veil. W you have to circle letter W. Okay. Next picture is xylophone. So with which letter it will start? X or U? Yes, letter X. Very good. Xylophone. Last word, last picture, sorry. Which picture is this? Zip. So what will be the beginning letter? Which will be the beginning letter? Z. Zip. Come on, complete fast. Done. Complete fast. Come on. Understood everybody? Okay. So students, tell me what we have learned today. Yes, which vowel we have learned? Yes, very good. We have learned vowel O. Okay. And also we have learned and practiced writing the O vowel words. Okay. And we have done the practice of, what is this? Yes, circling the correct beginning letter of each picture. So you have to practice the vowel sounds at home. Also you have to try to read the words. Okay children. So I hope that you all have understood this today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.